welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Hello! I'm so sorry I have not been doing videos in a while now. I know it's only been like a couple of weeks, but it seems like I've been gone for forever. But I'm so excited to start doing videos again. And I feel like I always have like something crazy going on, and this time it was like literally crazy. We've been moving, which was very unexpected. We just like suddenly found a house and we were like, okay, let's move there. So we've been in the process of moving for the last couple weeks, and that was so crazy. So now we're finally in the new house. As you can see by this background, it's very different from the last one, or if you're new here, it's new also. I'm still trying to figure out where exactly I want to record my videos. It's either going to be here or it's going to be in my room in like a different space that I have to figure out. So the lighting's kind of weird for right now. I'm just by a window and it's like a shaded window. So yeah, we have to get this all figured out. But in the meantime, I wanted to do a video with you guys because all the things that I purchased from the Sephora VIB event finally came in, and I'm so excited because there's some really cool things in here. And there's a bunch of stuff from Tower 28, which I've been wanting to try for so long. I love the SOS spray, so I was like, let's try some other stuff. So picked up a bunch of things. So let's go ahead and get started because there's a lot here. So first off, I got the Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint in the shade Light 4 for my mom because I let her try out mine and she really liked it because she likes the regular Bounce foundation, and then she really liked the skin tint version, so she wanted me to pick up one of those for her, so I got that. And then I also got her an Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara because this is her favorite one. She loves this one. It's super dark and volumizing, and that's just her favorite. She prefers this one over the other Unlocked mascara. This one's just her fave of the Hourglass mascaras. Now we'll move on to what I bought for myself. So first of all, I got this jumbo size of the Tower 28 SOS spray. It's like the refill bottle. I guess this is limited, so I might actually buy another one because I heard that they're doing another event maybe this month or next month, and it's gonna be like 20% off or something like that. Like what? I don't know. So I'm definitely gonna get another one of these because this thing is huge and I'm already out of my other regular size, so I'm gonna have to start getting into this one. I love this spray. This is why I wanted to buy more things from Tower 28. It's made for stressed and sensitive skin. It's made for eczema. It's approved by the National Eczema Association. I don't know why I can't say that. All it is water, sodium chloride, which is salt, and hypochlorous acid, which is something that our body naturally makes to repair and heal itself. And my skin's been loving this. Right now my lips look wicked crazy because they are super chapped from it being so dry and windy here. Like it's literally been like 10% humidity or less, and then all the Santa Ana winds have been coming through and it's been ridiculous, and I have been slathering on lip balm and chapstick and nothing is keeping them from being like this, so they look crazy. I'll put lip products on in a little bit because I have something to show you, but I'm sorry, you're just gonna have to put up with this for now. But otherwise, the rest of my skin, it loves this. Like it needs this, it craves this because it feels like a glass of water for your face. It just feels so hydrating and it's so nice. And I feel like this is a part of it that people don't like, but it smells like pool water, and I actually love that smell. Especially now because I have a pool, which is so exciting. But yeah, I love the smell of pool water, and that's what this smells like. So when you spray it on, it smells like you're at the pool. But anyways, I got this and I'm definitely gonna get another one because I don't ever want to run out of this. So since we're talking about Tower 28, I might as well show you all the other stuff that I bought from Tower 28. So I got the Tower 28 Milky Jelly Shine On Lip Gloss in the shade Coconut. And this color looked so pretty online. Like, isn't it gorgeous? It looks like a really nice, super liquidy formula. I feel like it's kind of like a tinted oil type of thing, so I'm excited to try that out. I'm gonna be doing a whole video on all the Tower 28 stuff, like going more in depth with you guys on it, but I just wanted to show you what I picked up for now. So I got the Tower 28 Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm in the shade Magic Hour. I picked up a couple of these because I was like, I don't know, I want to try them all. My mentor slash makeup artist that I assist, her name's Melissa, Epic Makeup. She has a bunch of these Tower 28 balms in her kit, and I got to use them on the film that we worked on, and they're so nice. So first of all, Look at this packaging. Like, it's so dang cute. This is the shade Magic Hour, which looks so beautiful. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it's super creamy. That's what Magic Hour looks like. And I'll put it on my hand, although I have to apologize. My hand looks awful because it's been so dry and I've been bitten by my puppy a bunch of times because he thinks it's funny, but it's not. But anyways, that's Magic Hour. It's so pretty, actually. I am really excited to use that. The next one that I got is the shade After Hours. Same thing, just a different shade. So this is After Hours. This one I really pictured to use more as like a lip product. Really pretty. I feel like this would be such a pretty lip color. That's After Hours, or even like a cheek color or on the eyes, because I believe that these Tower 28 balms, they can be used on the lips, the cheeks, and the eyes. They're like multi-purpose. So yeah, I really felt like that would be a cool eye look, a cool lip. The next one that I got is Rush Hour. This is Rush Hour. It's super pretty. I love how creamy these are. So that's Rush Hour. It's a little bit brighter than this Magic Hour. Sort of still like a corally color, but that one looks really nice too. I feel like this would also make a really pretty eye color or lip color. Okay, and then the last thing from Tower 28 that I got is the Bronzino Illuminating Bronzer in the shade West Coast. I know I don't need another cream bronzer, but I was like, if I'm gonna try this brand, I'm gonna try this brand. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. I don't even want to touch it because it's so pretty. It looks like a planet. That's what that one looks like. Wow. So that's what West Coast looks like right there. That's really pretty. It's a little bit lighter than I thought it was going to be, which is probably good because I've gotten a little bit more fair because I haven't been outside as much lately. So, yeah, I'm excited to try that one out and see how that looks. It's definitely got like a lot of sparkle in it, so if you're looking for a matte bronzer, that's not going to be it. Okay, the next thing that I picked up is the Beauty Blender Bounce Concealer in the shade 1.40N. I have 1.1 or 1.2. I can't remember which one of those I have. But it's just so light. I knew that I wanted to get a darker shade, so I went with this one, and this is like the perfect shade. I have it on today. Obviously, it's still a little bit lighter than the rest of my skin tone, but I feel like it looks so much better. And this is definitely more of a dupe for that NARS Vanilla versus the 1.2, which is the last shade that I had. This one's just so much better. It's not as bright as that one is, because that one was just like, I liked the consistency in the product, obviously, but the color was just like too bright for me, and it made me feel weird. Okay, the next thing that I picked up is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in the shade Iconic Nude. I wanted to get Pillow Talk, which I've had in the past, but then they were all sold out of it. So I got the shade Iconic Nude, which looks like it'll be really pretty. This is what it looks like. I'll put it on my hand. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, here we go. This one right here, not this. This is a bite. That one. That color looks really pretty, so I'm excited to use this lip liner. It's super smooth and super creamy. I feel like I'm gonna have to get a pencil sharpener because I don't know where mine is or where it went. The next thing that I picked up is the Westman Atelier Clean Glow Trio number 2. They have two different ones, number 1 and number 2, but I liked the shades in this one better. I just thought it was cute. So first of all, let me put this one back in so I can show you guys how cute it is. Look at these little minis. They're so cute. This set was expensive, but luckily I had this for a discount. But it comes with 3 of the little mini sizes. So this one is the shade Truffle. It's like a contour stick or bronzer. I'll go ahead and put this on my hand for you guys. Ooh, that's really dark. Definitely more of a deeper skin tone match, but I can put this one in my makeup kit, which was good. And then we have the highlighter shade, which is called Nectar. This is really what I wanted it for, a little version of the highlighter. I'll put it right here. Ooh, you're not really going to be able to see it, but right there we go. It's like more of a peachy highlighter. I thought that color looked so pretty, but I knew I didn't want to get the full stick because I wouldn't use all of it in a timely fashion, so I wanted the little one for that. And then lastly, it came with a blush in the shade Doo Doo, D-O-U, D-O-U. And that's what color this is. This is really pretty. Oh, wow. Actually, wow, this is very similar to the After Hours, so that's interesting, but that is really beautiful. That would be a really nice lip color as well. So that's the Westman Atelier set. I'll definitely do another video using those, just because I would love to show them to you guys. And then next, I got the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss Trio. I'm not going to take these ones out, just because you're not going to really be able to see them on my hand, but I can definitely use them in another video. But I've heard so many good things about these. Everybody says that they're really similar to the Fit Glow lip serum, so I'm really excited to try those. Can't wait, and my lips definitely need some help right now, so we'll see. Okay, and then lastly, I picked up the Sephora, what is this called? Sephora Favorites Sparkly Clean set. And honestly, the only reason I picked this up was because I wanted this right here, this Tower 28. It's new. It's like a lip balm pen. I don't know. I saw that it was on Sephora's website for sale, but then suddenly it was gone, and the only way you could buy it was through this. So I was like, all right, well, I guess I have to get that. But it also comes with a mini Ilia mascara, which I love, the fullest volumizing one. I'll probably give this one to my mom because she hasn't tried this mascara yet, and I feel like she's gonna really like it. It also comes with the Merit Flush Balm in the shade Cheeky, which is actually the one that I wanted to try when Merit first sent me products several months ago, but they were all out of this shade. It's supposed to be like a really cute pink color, so I'm excited that that's in it because I liked the Cheeky Balm. I just didn't get the color that I really wanted, so now I have it. It also comes with this Playa Beauty highlighter, the glowy gel, which I actually already have this, so I'll probably just end up giving this to a friend. And then it comes with a Milk Makeup Color Chalk in the shade Hopscotch. I think that this is supposed to be like a eyeshadow stick. I'm not 100% sure what it is. And then it comes with a Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas Primer. So let me go ahead and open this up so we can take a look-see. So let me show you the milk thing because that's one of the ones I was a little confused about. Color chalk. It doesn't even say like what to do with it or how to like get it out. Oh, here we go. I'll put it on my hand so you guys can see it. Oh, whoa. That's it right there. That thing on the top. It's super metallic. I actually don't even know what you're supposed to do with this. So I'm gonna be looking this up, but it's like it comes in like a little wrapper that you can like unwrap it. Like, do you put this in your hair? Do you put this? What does one do with this? I'll be looking it up and I'll let you guys know. Let me go ahead and show you the Merit Balm in Cheeky. I think the packaging's so cute. It looks like the Milk makeup sticks, but this is the shade Cheeky. Wow, I feel like this is another one. That's so funny. I literally got 3 of the same shades, but all in like different formulas. This is gonna be amazing on the lips, so I want to wear this as like a lip color, cheek color, eye color. Like, this is all I want as like everything these days, apparently, because I got 3 of them. That's so funny. I did not realize that. Okay. And then let me show you that Tower 28 balm because that was that thing that I really wanted out of this. So it's called the Juice Balm Tinted Lip Balm. I don't even know, what shade is this? It's in the shade Mix. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like a twist up stick, which is really nice. It looks really cool. It kind of looks like those Tarte pencils, like those jumbo pencils. So where does one put it on their hand? I'll put it right here. Oh, okay. So this is the color right here, Mix. First of all, can you see? I wanted to focus so badly on how creamy this product is. Look at that color. It's amazing. So I'm gonna put this on right now because oh my. That color is amazing. I was not expecting this. So I love this. It feels so perfect and it feels so soft and hydrating. And it's super creamy. I know my lips look crazy right now, but the product, the color looks so beautiful, and it's like my lips but better shade. I wonder if they're gonna be coming out with more shades of this, or like what's happening with this product, because I haven't found it on their website. I haven't found it on Sephora's website again. I haven't found it anywhere, and like I hope that this comes out in more shades. I don't really understand the bottom because it doesn't match what this is, unless this is supposed to match what the color is, because it kind of does. So I don't really know what's going on with this, but this product is really, really nice. So if you can get your hands on this, I would do that because it's so pretty. Okay. Love it. All right, that's it. That's all I bought. I know it was a lot. I act like that's like nothing, but that was a lot. But you know what? I haven't really bought any makeup or anything in a long time. And like I've been working really hard and I wanted to, you know, get myself something to enjoy. I really went full anything for you, princess, for myself. But anyways, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any of these products and what you think about them, or what your thoughts are about them if you wanted to pick them up. Again, I think that Sephora is supposedly having another sale soon, so I'm going to be getting another one of those jumbo SOS sprays. I saw Westman Atelier came out with single iPod shadows. Kind of want to get some of those. Otherwise, I think I'm set for a little while on makeup. Yeah, I'm so excited for all of this. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'd love to have you come and hang out with me on this channel. So that's it. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, and a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!